Good morning and welcome to HTM 101. I'm so excited to start this semester with you. Happy fall semester 2021. This is going to be a great semester. First off, HTM 101 is 100% asynchronous, so you won't have any requirements to meet at any specific time. In addition to that, I typically will post information on the weekends for the upcoming week. So week one information will be loaded in what you're viewing right now. Just to give you a little bit of a summary, I do have the shell up on the screen for you to see. The typical format, we will go chapter by chapter in the book, and week one and overview is where you would start, and then you're just going to go ahead and hit next on each of the pages. So you'll see the week one summary here. This is the page that you're on, and you've clicked to view this video, and then you'll just go to this bottom corner here and hit next and be able to take you to the next page, and it will go in order. I do have all of the information also on this weekly summary page, as well as at the very end of each week, I'll have a week one or a weekly wrap up, and that wrap up will also make sure that we've met the objectives of the week and a reminder of the items that were due. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of how the information will be laid out. Just to let you know, I do have deadlines, but I do also appreciate that you have many commitments. And so I just ask that you communicate with me if there's a deadline that you're not able to meet. There's just one deadline pretty early on in the semester that I like to achieve because I do use your input to be able to create the course content for the activity that will follow. I'll look forward to meeting you and introducing myself to you more fully in an activity in just a couple of pages down the way. So look forward to getting to know you and learning with you this semester. Thank you.